In the heart of the frozen wilderness, a mighty eagle fights for survival. Its once powerful wings are broken, feathers scattered and stained with blood. The cold wind cuts through its body, each breath shallower than the last. It stumbles in the snow, its talons weak, its eyes dimming. The storm rages without mercy, burying the land in ice and silence. No food, no shelter, only endless white and unbearable pain. Alone, the eagle cries out, its voice fading into the wind. Hope seems lost. Until footsteps approach from afar. Asterisk.